Have you ever wondered why some habits are so hard to break? Or why your mind seems to gravitate towards certain thoughts or feelings? The answer lies deep within your subconscious mind. This mental reservoir is brimming with beliefs, experiences, memories, and skills that quietly shape our perceptions and actions. Much of this programming is rooted in our early life, influencing how we navigate our world as adults. But here's the exciting part. Our brains are not static. They're dynamic and adaptable through a process known as neuroplasticity. This means our brains can be rewired, reprogrammed at any age. And the key to unlocking the power of your subconscious mind lies in one word: repetition. The power to change your life for the better lies in your own hands, or more precisely, in your own mind. But how? Let's delve into the world of subconscious programming. Think of your mind as a field and your thoughts as seeds. When you plant the same seed over and over, you're bound to see it grow. Similarly, when you repeat affirmations, thoughts, and words with intent and attention, they take root in your subconscious mind and shape your behaviors and experiences. Imagine you're in a meditative or relaxed state. In this state, your subconscious mind is like a sponge, soaking up all the suggestions you give it. Just like how a sponge absorbs water, the subconscious mind absorbs your repeated thoughts and words. These absorbed thoughts and words then become the beliefs that guide your actions, and consequently, your life. When you desire something and embody the feelings of confidence, excitement, and peace, your subconscious mind takes note. It doesn't distinguish between reality and imagination. So if you can imagine your success and feel the associated emotions, your subconscious mind will work towards making that your reality. Through repetition, you can create new subconscious programs that align with your goals and desires. Repetition is more than just a practice. It is a powerful tool that can mold your subconscious mind. When we repeat actions, thoughts, or affirmations, we are essentially paving new neural pathways in our brain. These fresh connections, like well-trodden paths in a forest, become the go-to routes for our thoughts. Over time, these patterns solidify, hardwiring into our subconscious, forming new beliefs and perspectives. Now consider the phrase, "as within, so without." It's a profound truth, really. When we make changes deep within our psyche, it's inevitable that our external reality shifts to mirror these transformations. This is the power of the subconscious mind. It's a canvas reflecting the conscious reality. Repetition is one of the best time-tested ways to reprogram the subconscious and instill a new belief. It's like practicing a musical instrument or training for a marathon. Initially, it may feel awkward or strenuous as your fingers stumble over the keys or your muscles ache with exertion. But with repetition, the notes start to flow. The miles become less daunting. The same principle applies to our minds. With disciplined repetition, you can teach your brain to think differently, react differently, and ultimately, to be different. You can transform your fears into courage, your doubts into confidence, and your dreams into reality. It's not an overnight process, and it does require a level of commitment and consistency. So, yes, repetition may require discipline, but remember this: the transformation it fosters within your subconscious mind is truly remarkable. It's the key to unlocking potential you may not even realize you possess. Remember, discipline may be challenging, but the payoff of a reprogrammed subconscious mind is worth every effort. We hope you found this video helpful and enlightening. Perhaps it sparked a curiosity within you, a desire to delve deeper into the profound power of your mind. If so, we encourage you to take action now. Start by integrating the power of repetition into your daily routines. Repeat positive affirmations, practice mindfulness, cultivate gratitude. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. If you found this content beneficial, we invite you to hit that like button and share this video with those who might benefit from it. For more enlightening content on personal development and mind mastery, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Together, we can explore the limitless potential of the human mind. Remember, your mind is a powerful tool. Harness its power, transform your life. As you continue on this journey of self-discovery and growth, we're here to guide and support you every step of the way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.